Hi. Just we took 10-minute breaks in Shulagiri petrol pump now. We are reached here now around 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
What's the time now?
6 o'clock.
Around past 5:30 to 6. Okay, in between. Okay, we are taking a break regularly in ride also, travel also, in car drive also. We are taking a break in this pump. Last around more than 8 years, 10 years our relation with this pump. Nearby one McDonald's hotel is there and also another hotel is there. Here what means our already in old video we showed our friend is here, Tankamani. She is working with this hotel because she is cleaning the toilets. So we regular travel we have a meeting with her, and after complete that meeting we are continuing our travel. What is happening means now we are in this travel, okay, we are exploring Kerala. This time we are using Nissan Micra. Why we choose? Because every time you think we are going Aprilia, why we change? If we have a lot of money, that's why we change. No, we have no budget. That is also a story we will tell later. How we will get money for this purpose, that we will explain later. We have some attachment with this vehicle, Nissan Micra. This is a 2014 vehicle. When 2014 I took this vehicle, what happened means 2014 is a crucial time in our life. That time we have no money to pay the loans, and we have some issue with personal issues, and we have suffered a lot. At that time what happened, we can't pay the school fees also for my children. So many issues in one time. That time what happened means it's compelled me to sold my ancestral property. Problem and people, so many people are compelled, means the pressure. That time we must sold our property. The HDFC bank attachment, so many things we suffered. That time we sold our property. We get only half rate. लेने वाला शो किया था हम लोगों को हेल्प करने की तरह, क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड ही था, पहचान वाला था. दे आर शोइंग मीन्स सिंपथी दे आर टेकिंग, बट नथिंग. दे आर cheated us. They are taken the property with half rate. You know, if somebody is suffering a lot, some people are in issue, means the what they are doing, the other people कैसे भी उनको ऐसे करके कमाओ, ऐसे ही होता है लाइफ में. तो वी हैव नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट टाइम. माय फर्स्ट एम इज टू कंप्लीट माय चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. आई वांट टू गिव अ बेटर एजुकेशन फॉर माय किड्स. दैट्स व्हाई वी सोल्ड दैट प्रॉपर्टी. वी हैव सो मेनी little bit hurting, means my father and mother, they given us a gift from that my marriage time. Okay, we sold that property. We got some money and we हम लोग पूरा हमारा क्या क्या पैसा देना चाहिए तो प्रॉब्लम्स पूरा थोड़ा सोल्व करके द बैलेंस मनी वी पुट फॉर द चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन. आई पुट दैट मनी and that time we think about that to some memory from my father and mother. We want to something. That time my son told me we will took a car, new car. उसका बिफोर कार था वो तो यूज कर रही थी. ओल्ड ऐसे वो भी सेल हुआ था बीच में, तो 4 व्हीलर भी नहीं था. तो वी डिसाइडेड टू टेक ए व्हीकल. दैट टाइम वी वेंट एंड a test drive with Nissan Micra. We are comfortable with that vehicle from 2014 last, I think year end, November December we took this vehicle. तब से अभी तक हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. कभी भी ट्रैवल में हम लोगों को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं फेस नहीं किया है. बहुत कुछ व्हाट हैपेंड मीन्स इन माय लाइफ, आई थिंक more than people, my vehicle helped me a lot to survive. That same way Aprilia is helping, the same way Nissan Micra is also helping us. And now we think we are going Kerala, because we visited Kerala I think on 2019 December. After that we didn't went Kerala. 2019 also just we visited to Cochin only for some emergency work with my advocate. Just 2 hour 3 hour visit and night just we stayed and came back. And after that we corona, so many issues, we can't visit Kerala. Okay, we are visiting Kerala. So we think we decided to take this Micra. And initially one thing we want to tell you, friend. Initially we posted yesterday for a long drive. That post we told we for 7 days drive. We all that post. That time we decided to go to Rajasthan. We think about that Mount Abu ride we will cancel and we will go for Ladakh afterwards, and we will go that, make it a drive with Nissan Micra. We decided that first. Then we posted everything, and we yesterday night we took all things, dress, everything we packed, and sanitizer, everything we make ready. And around what is happening means every drive or ride we are going, that night I can't sleep. Some thinking will come in my mind. Okay, she is sleeping, my all 3 children, they are sleeping. Around 2 a.m. I can't sleep. So many thinking is coming to my mind. That time my mind is telling, I don't know whether my father and mother soul is telling to come to Kerala, I don't know. Around 3 o'clock in my mind is changed. That is, we can't also believe. We changed it to go to Kerala once. तो कोरोना है, थोड़ा टेंशन भी है, तो we are not interested to disturb family members also. Our relatives are there. We are not interested to disturb them also. That's why we decide at that day, night, yesterday night, my mind is telling, so no, cancel that Mount Abu trip. We think Mahabaleshwar, Mount Abu, that trip. We cancelled that. We cancelled my thinking only. She doesn't know about my thinking. And in the morning, wake up, a few minutes, okay, she is also preparing for the travel to Mahabaleshwar and Mount Abu. That time I just told her, Shobha, I have some thinking, I want to change, I have some changes in the travel. So my mind is telling we will go to Kerala and explore few places. In Kerala, we maximum we avoid hotel stay, and we don't disturb our relatives. Nobody. We didn't disturb. हम लोग किसी को भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचे, किसी को भी डिस्टर्ब ना करे. बस एक ट्रैवल जाओ. केरला जाने के लिए मेरा मन बोल रहा है. क्या पता नहीं क्यों बोल रहे, पता नहीं. Okay, we will go to Kerala. She has also confused. What she is telling? We planned to go to Mount Abu. We packed everything. Everything we prepared for that. Money is also less. Okay, some budget we put. That story will come later. Okay, then up to 12:30 today, we didn't fix anything. We are confusing Mount Abu, Kerala. Mount Abu, Kerala. That is also, I am a little bit anxious person also. What feeling we don't know about that. Then she is also told, okay, we will go to Kerala. Your mind is telling, okay, we will go to Kerala. We will visit Kerala. We have an old house is also there. Just if we time मिलते तो उधर भी एक बार जाओ. तो जन्म लिया हुआ मैं I born and brought up everything in Kerala. Around 20 years my life with attached with Kerala. So we think, okay, we will go. We have a fear also. Corona time, what is happening. Everything we removed from our mind. And 1 o'clock we fixed today. We will go to Kerala. Then around 12:30, that 1 o'clock. That time we just put a post on our Facebook page. We are exploring Kerala. Now also we don't know what we will do. Just we started our journey. If we are sitting in home means also feel confusing. Okay, around 2 o'clock everything prepared, and we started around 2:30, 3 o'clock. Okay, now we are in Shulagiri petrol pump. We will continue our journey. What is our destination? We will think about that and we will discuss with you. Let's go. We will continue our video. Let's watch. Let's go. We are putting seat belt. Okay, every time we are all precautions we are taking, and we are obeying the traffic rules also, and we are not making any race something, only we are maintaining the speed. If everything about the riding we will make a video also in this, and we will talk to some stories, everything, our life, everything. Let's watch. Start. Please support us. This is a crucial video for us. We must want to win this challenge. So without your help, we can't make it success. In this series, Kerala Goods on Country series, please help us. Thank you friends. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Hi. Now a small tea break on the Krishnagiri road. After Krishnagiri, now Dharmapuri we are going. A small tea break. After चाय पीने के बाद हमारा कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Let's have a tea. Beautiful area, this Krishnagiri Dharmapuri road. Each time we are traveling through this road, it is attracting only. Friends, now time is 7:30 p.m. We reached Topur, the regular hotel. We are going so many years. Also we are taking breakfast, lunch, everything here. And now we think to eat something as a dinner. The night journey में हम लोग जल्दी खाते हैं क्योंकि लेडीज़ का थोड़ा लिमिटेशंस होते हैं ना, सब लोग जानते हैं, इसलिए so we are taking some dinner, means idli sambar. We will check with that, then we will start our drive. Now we are around 7:30. This is the hotel Sarvation in Topur. Let's go. Dinner, all driving or riding, less luggage, more comfort, the same, less food, more comfort, same idli, my food, क्योंकि खर्च कम भी होता है, पेट भी तरह सेफ होता है. तो my regular traveling food is idli sambar. So today we are taking, this is Sarvation Topur road only. Just we will have dinner and then we will continue our travel. Let's watch. Every time sambar soup.